Your voice sounds the same through the phone tonight, but something's different in the way you pause. Been 3 years now since we really talked about anything that matters, or anything at all. Did you change? Or did I? Did we both just learn to hide? Remember when we sit until dawn, sharing all our fears like they were prayers. Now we're catching up on surface things, weather in your jaw and mine's the same. Did you change? Or did I? Did we both just learn to hide? Maybe we outgrew the kids we used to be. Maybe that's okay. Maybe that's how people leave. You're laughing now at something I said, but it feels rehearsed, like you're performing. And I wonder if you're thinking too about who we were and who we're not. Did you change? Or did I? Are we strangers now, who once were one? Did you change? Or did I? Some things don't survive, and that's all.